welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix access denied on Zachiever. So Zachiever is actually an app for roads, and recently a lot of people have been having the issue of access denied. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to resolve the issue step by step. Right. But before I do that, please click on the subscribe button and also like, it really helps a lot. So let's get right into the video. So first thing you have to do is you have to go to Play Store or Apple Store and search for Zachiever and be sure it doesn't have an update. So once you're sure it doesn't have an update, you're going to take the next step. But if you see an update, click on the update button and it's going to work for you perfectly. But for you that have updated it and still having the same issue, you just need to go to your phone settings, right, and scroll down all the way to apps, right, and what you need to do is click on the search icon, click on files, search for files, right, and click on storage, and click on the icon and click on uninstall updates. So once you click on that, it's going to uninstall all the updates. Okay, all data will be removed and this is the data. Click OK and it's going to get uninstalled. After doing that, you go back to look for Zachiever. You can also search for it and click on it. Once you click on it, click on storage and you clear the data as well. And after doing that, you can put the app on first stop, right? Put on first stop, and after that you leave it and reopen the app again and it's going to work perfectly. You can see mine already being granted access, right? If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching. Catch you in my next video. Bye.